I'd like to introduce you to the Money Merge account by United First Financial. It is a revolutionary web-based software program designed to aid people in eliminating all of their debt, including their mortgage. Our average payoff on a 30-year mortgage is between 8 and 11 years, and this is done without any extra money out of your pocket. This could potentially save you hundreds of thousands of dollars in interest. The Money Merge account can also be called the money management solution because it helps people create an interest advantage. It helps you leverage money, your own money as well as other people's money, such as the bank's money. It helps you maximize the time value of money. It helps you set and track goals in real time. It helps you do all of this with little to no change in your standard of living, but bear in mind you must bring more income coming in than you spend going out, or this will not work. And it uses conventional banking tools that already exist. Those are some of the things the Money Merge account is. Let's take a look at what it is not. It is not a refinance of an existing loan. It is not a biweekly program. It is not a debt consolidation loan. It is not a debt roll-down program. And again, little to no change in your current lifestyle. You may think this sounds too good to be true, but let's take a look at something I think sounds too bad to be true. This is what we call an amortization schedule. Here we have a 30-year mortgage, a $200,000 loan amount, a 6% interest rate, and a payment of $11.99 per month. In month 1, what goes to principal is $199.10. What goes to interest is $1,000. In month 2, we've only gained $1 in what goes to principal. By the end of year 1, we've sent over $14,000 to the lender, and what do we have to show for it? A little over $2,400 in what has gone to principal or equity. By year 5, we've sent almost $72,000 to the lender with almost $14,000 in equity or principal. Now bear in mind at year 5, most people sell or refinance their home, meaning they throw the $72,000 out the window, pay a whole bunch of closing costs, and start their loan over again. Did you realize it takes you 21 years to pay off half of the debt on your 30-year mortgage, at which point you've paid for the home 1.5 times. By year 30, you've paid for that loan a little over twice what you've borrowed on the mortgage. We at United First Financial feel there's got to be a better way. I want to talk about interest cancellation, and I'm not talking about just throwing a little bit extra to the principal every month. I'm talking about throwing a large chunk against the principal. Let's take a look at that same $200,000 mortgage, and let's see what would happen if we threw $5,000 at the principal on the first month of the loan's life. Now you still have the same rate, and you still have the same payment, but what changes is the time left to pay off. They've just shaved off 23 months off the life of that loan, which also shaved off over $28,000 in interest. Now I ask you, would you trade me? Would you give me $5,000 if I gave you $28,000 back? Everybody I've asked that question to has always said yes. But everybody also asks me, where do I get the $5,000? I don't want to come up with that. And I want to submit to you that you can do this by leveraging money, by not taking it out of your own pocket. This, again, is a revolutionary web-based software system. Can you do this without our system? Yes, of course you could. But the answer is most people don't. Most people have the best of intentions to do this on their own, and they start, and then they hit a roadblock, and they stop. Or they find something that they would really like to purchase, and they purchase it, and it throws their whole system off. This program will aid you in the most strategic debt payoff possible. And that means your current credit card debt, your student loans, your car loans, everything will be paid off the quickest way possible. It helps you cancel interest like we just saw. It helps you utilize stagnant money like what's sitting idle in your checking account. It helps you float interest. It helps you optimize every single penny coming into the house in income. And it does all of this with ongoing coaching and education for the lifetime of your use of our product. If you want to know what this program will do for you, you need to have an analysis run. An analysis will show you what this program will do for you based on what you can do yourself. In a normal 30-year mortgage, in this case $227,000 is the loan, in a 12-year period of time, this couple would have paid, or person would have paid $67,000 to their principal. with utilizing our program and their specific numbers, which are different for everybody, they have paid off their mortgage in 12 years. They've paid the whole $227,000 in principal and a total of $318,000 in total payments, saving them a total of $152,000 in interest. Their time savings is over 18 years. Can you imagine what life-changing thing you could do if you had 18 years of no mortgage payments? What could you do with that money? I challenge you to find out. If you want to know what the experts are saying, you can walk into almost any mortgage office and pick up Mortgage Planner magazine from their coffee table and read some great stories about what our product has done for mortgage clients. Broker Banker magazine, True Wealth magazine, Investor Real Estate magazine all have some incredible things to say about what our program has done for their clients. If you want to know what this program will do for you, you need to have your analysis run. It doesn't take but about 15 minutes. It's free. It doesn't pull your credit, and it will show you what this program will do for you. Let us run your analysis and show you what we can do for you.